G'day, I'm Neville Janke. Welcome to the second part of our soil nutrition part of Feed Central and what we're offering to farmers today. What I'd just like to show you is just the basics of a soil test, and I know we've planted this paddock down, and I just wanted to go through a couple of simple tips of what you can do to take a soil test. If you don't have a soil testing equipment like a probe like this that you can push into the soil, you can just use a basic spade to take a test. So thinking about what a probe is, you could actually just take a sample down into the soil, give it a push in the 4 or so inches into the soil, 100 millimeters, it's where that crop's feeding on, and drop the little core into your bucket. And what you do is you take a representative sample across the paddock, steering away from contour banks or washouts and so forth. Take about 10 samples across, then walk back on another diagonal through. You can get at least 50 odd cores out of a sample into your bucket to take the sample, and from there you can mix it in your bucket and take some out, about a cupful, to send it into the laboratory. That's one way if you have that machine. Or you can just use a spade, pick up your spade, and you can take a little sample down into the soil. With that, take the first spadeful out and then dig yourself a hole that's about the 100 odd mil deep to where the root systems feed in, and then take a little core down the edge. So take a little sliver off the edge and you've got something like that. So drop that into your bucket. So what you're actually doing, you take a little bit from the top right down to the bottom of your cut, and you do that again on a representative line across, 10 or so sites across, and then 10 or so sites across the other way. So you'll get 20 odd sites across your paddock as being a representative of your paddock. Again, steering clear of contour banks, washouts, drains, ditches, and then hard patches. So you'll get a basic view of your paddock. So a soil test is like the big picture of what you're dealing with. Thank you for your time today. Bye.